Have you ever wondered why some people seem to breeze through cold and flu season without so much as a sniffle, while others catch every bug going around? Is it just luck? Or is there a deeper secret behind their seemingly invincible immune systems? As it turns out, there is a secret, but it's not locked away in a pharmaceutical lab or hidden in an exotic herb from halfway across the world. The secret lies within our own bodies, quietly working every moment of our lives. Our immune system. And here's the truth. While some of our immunity is determined by genetics, a vast part of it is shaped by the choices we make every day. The battlefield inside you. Before we get into the how, it's important to understand what exactly we're boosting. The immune system is an incredibly complex network of cells, tissues, and organs working together to defend the body from invaders. Viruses, bacteria, toxins, and even rogue cancer cells. Think of it like a full-scale military operation. You have the scouts, dendritic cells, the first responders, white blood cells like macrophages and neutrophils, the heavy artillery, natural killer cells, and the intelligence agents, T cells and B cells, who remember past enemies and respond faster next time. But like any army, the immune system needs fuel, maintenance, rest, and support. You can't expect it to function at peak performance if it's malnourished, sleep-deprived, or constantly battling internal stress. That's why lifestyle choices are so crucial. They either fortify your internal defenses or leave the gates wide open. Food as immunity's fuel. We often hear the phrase, "You are what you eat." But when it comes to your immune system, this is more accurate than you might think. The gut is home to over 70% of your immune system, and the food you eat directly influences its health. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables isn't just a hallmark of healthy living. It's a biological necessity for immune resilience. Brightly colored produce is loaded with antioxidants and phytonutrients that neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that can damage cells and weaken immunity. Vitamin C, for instance, is not just a cold remedy myth. It plays a direct role in the function of immune cells and enhances the skin's barrier function. Meanwhile, zinc, found in seeds, legumes, and nuts, is crucial for the development of white blood cells. But science also shows that sugar can cripple the immune system. One study found that within just 30 minutes of consuming sugar, the ability of white blood cells to destroy harmful bacteria drops by nearly 50%. And the effect can last for hours. Over time, a high sugar diet may lead to chronic inflammation, which confuses and exhausts your immune defenses, making it harder for your body to respond to real threats. The takeaway: every bite you eat is either feeding your immune system or sabotaging it. Sleep, the silent warrior. While you rest, your body is far from idle. During sleep, your immune system gets to work producing cytokines, proteins that fight infection and inflammation. In fact, sleep is the time when your body reviews security footage of pathogens it encountered during the day and prepares better responses. Research has consistently shown that people who don't get enough sleep, or suffer from poor sleep quality, are significantly more likely to get sick after being exposed to viruses like the common cold. In one controlled study, adults who slept less than 6 hours per night were over 4 times more likely to develop a cold compared to those who slept more than 7. Chronic sleep deprivation doesn't just leave you groggy. It leaves your immune system confused and sluggish. It's like trying to run a software update on a computer without turning it off. Things crash. So if you want your immune army to be sharp and focused, let it rest. Make sleep a priority, not a luxury. Move to defend. Regular exercise is another non-negotiable when it comes to immune strength. You don't need to train like an athlete, but you do need to move your body consistently. Moderate exercise, think brisk walking, cycling, or yoga, has been shown to increase the circulation of immune cells, making it easier for them to patrol the body and detect problems early. One study from the British Journal of Sports Medicine tracked over 1,000 adults and found that those who exercised at least 5 days a week had nearly 50% fewer colds than those who were sedentary. Even when they did get sick, their symptoms were less severe. Why does this happen? Physical activity not only increases blood flow and oxygenation, it also helps flush bacteria out of the lungs and airways, boosts the production of antibodies and reduces stress hormones like cortisol, which, when chronically elevated, suppress immune function. The key is balance. While moderate exercise enhances immunity, extreme training, like marathon running, can temporarily suppress it. So consistency and moderation are the real superpowers here. Stress, the invisible saboteur. Stress is often thought of as a mental or emotional state, but it has real, measurable effects on your physical health, particularly your immune system. When you're under stress, your body produces hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While helpful in short bursts, chronic stress keeps these hormones elevated, which weakens the body's immune response. Prolonged stress reduces the production of lymphocytes, white blood cells that fight off infection, making you more vulnerable to viruses. It also increases inflammation, a known contributor to a wide range of diseases, from diabetes to autoimmune conditions. But here's the uplifting part. Science also shows that simple practices like meditation, deep breathing, or even laughter can restore balance to your nervous system and boost immune function. A 2016 study found that participants who practiced mindfulness meditation produced more antibodies in response to a flu vaccine than those who didn't. So, managing stress isn't about escaping life's pressures. It's about changing how your body responds to them. Inner calm can literally protect your health. Sunshine and the immunity hormone. Vitamin D has been called the sunshine vitamin, but it might be more accurate to call it the immunity hormone. While we get a small amount from food, the majority of our vitamin D is synthesized when sunlight hits our skin, and its effect on the immune system is profound. Vitamin D helps activate T cells, which are crucial for identifying and destroying pathogens. It also plays a role in regulating inflammation and preventing autoimmune reactions. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to increased susceptibility to infections, including respiratory tract infections like COVID-19 and the flu. In one meta-analysis of 25 clinical trials, vitamin D supplementation was found to reduce the risk of acute respiratory infections, especially in individuals who were already deficient. The bottom line: you're not powerless. In a world that often feels filled with invisible threats, from viruses to pollution, it's easy to feel helpless. But the truth is empowering. Your body is not defenseless. Your immune system is a highly intelligent, adaptable force, and you have more control over it than you think. Every time you choose whole foods over processed ones, prioritize sleep, go for a walk, or take 10 minutes to breathe deeply and let go of stress, you're not just improving your mood, you're strengthening your frontline defense system. This is not about perfection. It's about consistent, science-backed choices that build resilience over time. Your immune system is listening. The question is, what are you telling it? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.